Rebuilding Optimus Prime.
For years, I'd been grinding away, searching for a truck to run my hauling business. Buying a brand new rig was way beyond my budget, so I started hunting for something older, something affordable, but with a little potential left in it. Then one day, almost like fate, I stumbled across a 1953 needle-nose Peterbilt, abandoned out in a field for over 40 years, buried in dust and rust. Honestly, it looked like nothing more than a pile of scrap. No brakes, no interior, no power steering. And the engine? A complete mystery. But the price? Just $200. The moment I set eyes on that iconic classic, I felt it. I'd found something truly special. This wasn't just another old truck. This was a long-haul warrior that once ruled America's highways, and now it sat there quietly, waiting for someone to wake it up. I didn't know if the engine would even turn over. I didn't know if I could fix it. The truth is, I didn't care. I hooked it up, dragged it home, and started tearing it down piece by piece. This forgotten beast deserves a second chance. I'm here to prove that no machine is ever too old to be loved again. The journey has only just begun, and there's still a long road ahead. I've got to admit, there's a lot more work to be done. But trust me, the best part hasn't even happened yet. What do you guys think about this project? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's talk about it. And if you don't want to miss a single moment of this build, make sure to hit that follow button, like, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next chapter.